Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford 500 and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's seat, you're going to find a lever like this. It should have a little resistance you pull and it opens up, and you should see like a cable here. If there's no cable or something like that, for some reason you'll need to find it and reconnect it. But that released the hood. So now we'll go up to the front. And then right around the middle, there it is. So from here, there's a little lever to push and pull up. There we go. So that hook is where it was hooked on. This is what this looks like from the inside. If this isn't working for some reason, maybe this is out of line from center or possibly up here, like the hood. So you want to adjust those so they're straight. And then otherwise, maybe check for debris, some WD-40. That's it. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.